Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make longer reels on Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, you will need to update your Instagram app, and after that open your app and tap on this plus icon and select your reel and tap on this length, and now you can select 15 seconds length or 30 seconds. You can select 60 seconds, also you can select 90 seconds. So the 90 seconds length is maximum length you can add to your reel. To add longer reels on Instagram, you have to select here 90 seconds, and after that you can capture your reel. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.